Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prep Inc. Today we're going to be making this Vicky's Kitchen cheddar and broccoli stuffed chicken breast. So we've already got our oven preheated to 375 degrees, and here's everything that we need. We've got our chicken, we've got some scissors to open up our chicken, some cooking spray, and a sheet of foil that we're going to make a foil packet out of. And I'm just going to spray my foil with a little bit of cooking spray just so that nothing sticks. Next, we're going to cut open our chicken pouch here. All right, we're just gonna pop this onto our foil packet right here and try to get it right in the center. All right, so it came out upside down whenever I put it out right now. So I just flipped it over real quick. The side with all of the seasoning should be your top. So now I'm just gonna make my foil packet by bringing my two sides together, folding them over a couple times. And then I'm just gonna bring my sides in gently like this. Make sure that everything is sealed up good because this is gonna keep your moisture in. And then I'm just gonna sit this on a cooking tray, whatever you've got, as long as it can go in the oven, that's fine. We're gonna pop this in the oven for around 25 to 35 minutes. You're basically just making sure that your internal temperature is the right temperature, which is 165 degrees whenever it's done, and then we're gonna bring it out. If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there. All right, guys, it's been about 35 minutes and it just came out of the oven. We're gonna test our temperature real quick and make sure everything is done. All right, perfect. We've reached our temperature, so we are all set to go. This is what it looks like. If you guys want to know how this tastes, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, where we're going to give you a full review of this and let you know if we would purchase it again or not. In the meantime, though, thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll catch you next time. Bye. All right, guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.